In this video, I'll show you a DSI secret. Pick the chat. Go to screen A and look on the bottom screen. You see that little pen thing right here? Click that. Look, it's flashing. Do you know what that means? Rainbow color. And click it back to turn it to black. See? Black rainbow. So if you click the pen, right there it will be rainbow color, and if you click it again, it's just black color. See what I mean? Rainbow color. Okay, and that's the show. That's all the stuff I want to show you now.